For years, aftermarket Mercedes screens have gotten bigger, faster, and just packed and loaded up with more features, but there's always been one dead giveaway the moment that you see one inside of a car, and that's the way that they fit. This is exactly what DMP has come to redesign on these new units. They have redesigned the outside of the housing, and this is easily the most similar to an OEM Mercedes display I have ever seen. This is the updated design which works on W205 C-classes, GLCs, and even AMG models. If you look at almost any aftermarket screen out there, you're gonna find that it relies on an additional mounting bracket to get it fit on your car, and the fit is just never gonna be the same. It's not as seamless. You might get small gaps, you might get changes in the height of the screen, but by redesigning the housing of the units here, you can see that DMP actually matched the factory Mercedes mounting points to give you a full factory style fit. There is no additional mounting brackets that you need here, which means there is going to be no awkward gaps. Underneath all of this redesigned housing, you're still getting all of the features that make these units top tier. That's Android 14, 8 gigs of RAM, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, split screen functionality. Basically, all of the best parts of our systems are still integrated into this new design. So if you've been waiting to get an aftermarket screen that looks like it belongs in your car, this is easily the closest design I have ever seen. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in one of these units, you can find it at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.